Okay, hello. Welcome. My name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian, helping you increase your English, expand your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's have a look at it. It. What it's all about. Because it is used when a sentence does not have a clear subject and is used as a dummy subject or empty subject, as it can represent different things. So when it's not clear what we're talking about, and it can represent the things we were already talking about. This is my water. It's on the table. Yeah. It as a dummy subject means that we are continuing to talk about something as it has already been mentioned, such as time, date, distance, and weather. It helps to continue the conversation and sentence. So it. What time is it? What time is it? Oh, oh. What time is it? It's almost 4 a.m. 4 p.m. It's 5 minutes past 9. It is. It's in the evening. Or distance. How far is it to the station? How far away is it? It is what, 2 kilometers? Not far. Not far. Or even date. Whoops. Date. What day is it? It is Sunday. What day is it? What day is it today? Is it Friday? feels like feels like feels like Friday evening slash Saturday. Is it? Is it Sunday? It is Sunday. It is a Sunday. Does not feel like it. Doesn't feel like it. It's weird, isn't it? Doesn't feel like a Sunday. What is the weather today? What's the weather today? It will be sunny and around 16 degrees. It will be sunny. It will be sunny. Yeah. What's the weather like? It it is sunny. It is a little cloudy and it is 16 degrees. Yeah. It's about that. It's okay. It is okay. See, this way when we first talk about something, we don't have to say it again and again. The weather is nice. The weather is sunny. The weather is a little cloudy. The weather is about 16 degrees. No, no, no. The weather is nice. It is sunny. It is cloudy. It is 16 degrees. By saying it as a dummy subject, an empty subject, it represents something instead. It. Now talk about the book or the water. It is nice. It is clean. It is fresh. It's healthy. It's just here. Just here. Yeah. Okay. So it. When you start a sentence with it is, it is, it is the subject to talk about a general truth or belief, and some it clauses are followed by to infinitive to make the sentence more grammatical. It makes more sense. It is easy to learn from others' mistakes. It is important. General truth or belief. A truth, it is important to make money. It is important to drink water. A truth, it is important. It is. It is difficult to remember all the rules. Oh, something you think. It's difficult to remember them all. I think it's difficult. I don't remember. It is easy. It's hard. It is fun. It is fun learning English. It is fun learning Chinese. It is useful to learn Spanish. Ah. Some sentences can be followed by that to then continue with the sentence. It is a shame. It is a shame. Belief. Oh, that people don't learn more English. It's a shame. It's a shame that I couldn't learn the guitar by age 10. It's a shame. It is often said that most people don't know what they are doing. It is often said that most people don't know what they're talking about. It is often said the answer is somewhere in the book. Answer is in the book. Yeah. It's annoying that people can't speak nice. It's disappointing that there are so many rules. It is something that I always do on a Monday. Recording a video. It is something I always do at the same time. It's much more effective. Spend one day, record 11 videos. It is something I always do on the weekend. That is very important to do. Yeah. Yeah. So we don't repeat ourselves, and we talk about general truths or beliefs. It is important. It's a shame. It's difficult. Yeah. Yeah, very good. So, if you want to keep learning English, and you want to improve it, yet at the same time you want to expand your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below, and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.